All right, getting ready to play some rowdy. Just need that FTM token, Spookyswap. Come on, you got this. Yes, there it is. Just need to swap it up. I got about 85 bucks of Ethereum right here. 32 Fantom, nice. Let's get this all swapped up here. Looking good to me. What? What? $76? $76 took, I'm only converting 80, you trolls. Turn me upside down by the boots and shake me out while you're at it. What? This is not sustainable. This is absurd. Hey everybody, welcome back to The Art of Speculation. I am your host, Orion, and that experience is real. So in today's video, this is what we're gonna do. We are gonna get FTM on the Fantom Network, and we are going to avoid the Ethereum fees. I spent all day yesterday trying to figure out a reliable path that I could let people know about with confidence that the process is reliable. And I am fairly confident that I have something here that will work for many of you who are dealing with this exact problem. The complaints I see online say it's either too complex or it's too expensive. And I got to agree, I know this stuff, and I'm not paying $80 to do a conversion. That's too expensive. And given that this is the flowchart that I had to develop to explain how we're going to do this, I could see how if you had to figure this out on your own, it would be overly complex. So this episode will be technical, but it will get you to the Fantom Network at a reasonable cost with the high degree of reliability. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Big picture overview. We're starting on the Bitcoin network where fees are still pretty reliable. Think about $1 to $2 per transaction. We're then going to move over to something called the Binance Chain. Binance Chain is a proprietary blockchain network for Binance, but the fees are really, really low. And we're going to use this to hit up and land in the Fantom Network. All right, so more specifically, and this is going to be technical, I'll put links and source material and everything you need down in the description. And of course, as always, you can reach out to me on Twitter, DM me, follow me. Happy to help out if you experience any problems. Step number one, we are going to start at Coinbase, or for my fellow Canadians who can't deposit money to Coinbase because of the banking restrictions, check out ShakePay. We're going to use one of these two to convert our cash to crypto. We're then going to withdraw it into Binance. Binance is another exchange. And if you already use Binance, feel free to just start here. I'm including these because they're where people tend to already have their cryptocurrency, and depositing cash to a new platform and going through all that can be a bit of a pain in itself. And don't worry, Binance.us customers, this works for you as well. I got your back. We're going to use Binance to convert our Bitcoin into BNB, and we're going to use that token on the Binance network. Next, we're going to take custody of our BNB tokens, and we're going to convert BE2 to BEP20. From there, we're going to migrate to a Fantom friendly wallet. And I mean, this is one of the most versatile, loved, and widely used wallet softwares out there, MetaMask. And we're going to use MetaMask to bridge our BNB tokens from Binance into Fantom, getting to our final destination. And there is a big hurdle in this last step that I'm hearing a lot about on Reddit to actually get your first tokens, because you actually need FTM to convert to FTM in the last step. But I got a couple of solutions for you. So that's the process. We're starting in Bitcoin. We're moving over to Binance, and we're going to land in Fantom, and we're not paying the Ether trolls a penny along the way. If that's what you're looking for, welcome to The Art of Speculation. You're at the right place. Let's go. Before I even get to number one, convert cash to Bitcoin, there's a couple of, call it administrative steps we have to go through first. We're going to download MetaMask. We're going to create an account. We're going to download the Binance wallet. We're going to create an account. We're going to add the Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask with chainlist.org. And then we're going to add Fantom Opera to MetaMask using chainlist.org. And last but not least, we are going to join the Fantom official Discord on Discord. Now, this step you really only need to take if you've had a Discord account for 30 days. If you haven't, the last step won't work for you, and you'll have to use what I'm going to call Plan B in order to get your seed FTM tokens. Follow along. It'll all make sense. This is all going to make sense. Let's do it together. Let's go. So let's get those browser extensions, namely MetaMask and Binance Wallet. I am using the Chrome browser, and I will click on these three buttons here and go down here to more tools. We'll get this list, and then we want this, extensions. So here we are at the extensions page. Again, let's go up to this menu here. at the very bottom down here, right down here, you should see something that says Open Chrome Web Store. Boom, we've opened the Chrome Web Store. This is where we're gonna enter the word MetaMask. We're rolling. I'm gonna click on this and I wanna add to Chrome. We'll go over here and add the extension and it's checking and loading some stuff up. And there we go. So here we are on MetaMask and let's do it. Let's get started. And we're gonna set up a new wallet. I assume you need to do that. Otherwise you wouldn't watch this. Help us improve MetaMask. I gotta say yes. Now I gotta create a password. So here we are. I've entered a password. Terms and conditions are good. To secure your wallet, you need to write down this seed phrase because I can't stress enough the importance of this passphrase. If you lose this passphrase, your account is lost forever. You will never be able to recover it. Don't lose it. Okay, so I'm gonna hit next. So excuse me if I don't show you this backup phrase. You're gonna click on this. You're gonna write these words down and then boom, your MetaMask wallet is set up. I'm gonna hit approve. Okay, great. We have a balance of 0 Ether and this is MetaMask. Now I'm gonna close the browser window. You are going to now see a little puzzle icon here. Let's open that up and you can see MetaMask extension is there. I like to pin MetaMask so I can actually see it. And then anytime you want to use MetaMask, you can just use it without leaving the page that you are on. So now we need to do the same thing for Binance. So I'm going to do this all over again. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to more tools. I'm going to go to extensions. And again, I go all the way down here to the Chrome Store button. And this time we're searching Binance Wallet. There we go. Top one, add to Chrome. Okay, so Binance Wallet has been added. Again, I am going to pin the Binance Wallet to the taskbar there. And now I can open this up and let's get started with our Binance Wallet. There's a video I'm gonna link to in the description below, particularly for Binance US users. A guy who is in the US and uses Binance.us shows you how to do all this stuff. I don't have access to the Binance.us platform, so I'm gonna link to that video. So if you want the comfort of walking through and following with somebody else, you can have that. But I bring this up because he says to use your MetaMask wallet information in here. And I just think that's a bad practice. I think you should never enter your secret phrase into any other wallet or any other software. That is like the #1 way of getting hacked and it's stolen. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm setting up a completely independent Binance wallet and then I'm going to transfer from my Binance wallet into the MetaMask wallet, but I am not going to import my MetaMask wallet into Binance. I'm setting up a totally new Binance wallet. And just know that if you're using the US and you watch the video below. So create wallet and I'm going to generate secret passphrase. And it wants a password. Okay, once you've chosen your password and it meets the criteria, let's go to continue. Again, it's going to give you this list of words. I've concealed it for obvious reasons, but you're going to have to do the same thing. Write them down. This is your key. No one else has it. Don't lose it. So boom, now we have our Binance wallet set up. We've got a MetaMask wallet set up. In this next step, we're going to add the Fantom Network and the Binance Chain as networks for MetaMask. To a lot of people, that's mumbo jumbo, but think of it this way. Think of MetaMask like mint.com, a financial aggregator. You can see a variety of bank accounts all in one spot. Each blockchain network, think of as its own bank account. Each bank has its own databases, its own networks, and things are easy to do within that bank, but it's hard to go interbank between banks. Same thing with blockchains. You'll see up here, I'm on the Ethereum mainnet chain. So this is like my Ethereum bank account. I can see my Ethereum balances. What I need to do is I need to add my Binance account. I need to add my Fantom account into here. So that's what we're going to do next so that we can use MetaMask like mint.com as an aggregator for all of our different kind of crypto wallets, our crypto bank accounts. By default, MetaMask is on Ethereum. So let's use a site called Chainlist. Again, links in the description. Now, when we get to Chainlist, I'm going to go up here and the first one I'm going to add is Binance Smart Chain. And right in the letters BSC, you will see 2 Binance Smart Chains. You're adding the one with the chain ID 56. That's the one you want to add. When I click on the button, it automatically invokes MetaMask. It asks if it can connect. I'm going to say yes. So this is going to view the addresses of my permitted accounts. I'm not giving it access to do transactions. I'm giving it view access to my account. And now it's going to connect. So in that first step, all I did was approve. Now we have to actually add it to MetaMask. MetaMask. So yes, you're gonna have to go through this 2 times. I clicked on this. Okay, and it's saying we're gonna add this financial institution, this blockchain. And I'm gonna say, yes, let's add the blockchain. Are you gonna allow it to switch to this network? Yes. Great. And so we've added the Binance Smart Chain. You'll see now up here, it says Binance Smart Chain. And again, it's like we're looking at our Binance Smart Chain account with the MetaMask aggregator. Okay, next, we need to add the Fantom Network, Fantom Opera. Here it is. This is the right one. List 250. So first, add to MetaMask. You're going to allow this to add to the network? I'm going to say yes. And so now when we go up to our MetaMask here, you can see I'm now on the Fantom Opera network. So now I've got a variety of different bank accounts or blockchain networks listed here. I've got the ones I need to interact with the platforms we're going to be using today. So I'm going to switch back to Ethereum mainnet and we are ready to go. Okay, so let's take stock of where we are now in the process. We've downloaded the MetaMask browser. We've created a MetaMask account. Yes. Downloaded the Binance Wallet. Yes. We've got our Binance Wallet account. Yes. We've added Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Sure did. We added the Fantom Opera network to MetaMask. Yes, we did. This last one, Discord, you only need to do this if you've had Discord for at least 30 days. Otherwise, it won't work. So we're going to do that later. First thing we got to do on our list is convert cash to Bitcoin. Now, if you have a Binance account already, you can kind of skip all the way forward to the take custody of BNB part. You just use your Binance account to buy some BNB and then jump ahead to this. What are you doing here? Just go over there. But otherwise, most people have Coinbase. And if you're Canadian, check out ShakePay because Coinbase is largely blocked from the banks and it's hard to get money into it. ShakePay is a lot easier. Okay, so we are going to get our cash into an exchange and convert it to Bitcoin. So let's do this part. I am signed into 2 platforms right now. This is Coinbase and this one is Binance. So I've already bought the Bitcoin and you can see it just right here. I have about 113 Canadian dollars. That's about 89 US dollars. So there it is. We are now going to send this Bitcoin over to Binance. To do that, we go up here to Binance. I'm going to go to my wallet and I'm going to go to overview. And what we are doing here is we are making a deposit, a crypto deposit. It is very important to get the next part right. We are going to be sending Bitcoin. That's the currency. Now it asks what network we're going to be doing this on. This is important. Notice that it says, ensure the network you choose to deposit matches the withdrawal network. One of the challenges of using exchanges nowadays is they're only connected to the Ethereum network and the Bitcoin network. And you saw the fees on the Ethereum network. So in order to send crypto out of an exchange, I have to choose one of those rails, one of those networks. I'm going to choose the Bitcoin network because the fees are maybe $1 to $3 US. It's really not that much. So let's choose Bitcoin. So here we are. Bitcoin currency, Bitcoin network. This is the address we need to use, and I'm going to copy that. We are going to deposit to this wallet address. So I'm going to go back to Coinbase. I'm going to go up here to send receive. In here, I'm going to say send all to this address. Do I want a memo? No. What network do I use? Yeah, you got it. The Bitcoin network. Let's do it. Let's look at this confirmation. 113 Canadian dollars, a little bit less. Again, that's about 89 US dollars. The Coinbase fee is 0. There's a network fee of like a lot of zeros, then a 3. And the total outgoing amount is, yeah, everything looks good here. I do want you to notice, since we're using the Bitcoin network, it is going to take about 30 minutes for this transaction to land. So you're not going to see it arrive for about 30 minutes. So about 30 minutes has passed now. I'm going to go back over to Binance. So you can see down here, our Bitcoin has arrived, and I'm going to copy and paste the exact amount of Bitcoin. That's the deposit amount because we are going to convert that amount to BNB. To do that, let's go up here to markets. And I want this BTC markets. And I want to look for BNB to BTC. This is the market that converts between these two cryptos. Gonna click on it. And here we go. Something I do want to point out, the spreads on Binance are incredibly narrow. They're just so insanely narrow that I don't mind using a market order. I just want to get this deal done. So I'm going to hit market and then I'm going to enter the amount of Bitcoin that I brought in. It appears I already had some in this wallet. So I do want to track the right amount and I am going to buy BNB. Boom. Okay, so now that the trade is done, we want to take custody of our BNB tokens. I want to ship them out to my Binance wallet. This step is important and detailed, and I do want to keep track of the amount that I've sent. So I want to find the order that I just placed. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to dashboard. I'm sure there's a faster way. This is the only way I know to do it consistently. I go down to open orders. I open this up. Over here on the side, I can get my transaction history. And boom, we can see that I filled 0.206. I am going to copy that amount. I'm going to go back up to my wallet. I'm going to go back to overview. This time we are making a withdrawal. So I can see my BNB tokens right here. I bought 0.206 and my balance is slightly higher than that because I had a small BNB token from my Canary payments when I was testing this out. Sorry. I don't explain what a Canary payment is, but I highly recommend using Canary payments before doing anything of serious value. A Canary payment is when you send a small payment through first, testing out a process, so that if something goes wrong, you don't lose a material amount of money. You lose an amount of money that you're willing to lose. So I literally sent, I don't know, whether it was $50 from a Canadian bank account all the way through these steps to the Fantom Network to test this process before actually filming the process as a Canary payment. So that's what I'm referring to here, is there were some remnants of whether Bitcoin and BNB from when I did my Canary test of $50 right the way through the process, testing it out before sending thousands of dollars. So that's what I mean by Canary payment. So let's get back to the show. So we are going to open our Binance wallet up here. Okay, so here's our Binance wallet. I want to go up here and draw your attention to two things. These two networks here are the two Binance chains. This one is called BEP2 and this one is BEP20. Binance US users can only export to this one. To make sure I don't leave anybody behind, I am going to export first to BEP2 and convert to BEP20 so my American friends can follow along, and no harm, no foul for anybody else. This stuff works. So I need to switch to the BEP2 chain here. And I am going to go up here and copy this address for the Binance Chain Network. I'm going to go in here and I am going to go to withdrawal. So I'm going to go here and select my token. We are using BNB. Great. Let's put in our network address. BEP2 sometimes requires a memo field, like when you're bringing money into Binance. There isn't one for this particular transaction, so we can leave this blank. I am sending out 0.206 BNBs. There's a little bit of a network fee. I'm okay with that. And I'm going to go yes. I'm not entering a memo because it's not required from what I can see, but all of this is looking good. Yes, we're going BEP2 to BEP2 because again, I did select BEP2 here, right? We need to make sure that this is on the Binance Chain Network, not Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain, because that address changes. And I'm going to hit confirm. Now I've got this account secured out the wazoo, so I'm going to get code, enter password. Once all that's filled in, I'm going to hit good to go and complete. This transfer I can see right here. We are awaiting this transfer out to the Binance wallet. So now we've converted cash to crypto, bought Bitcoin, used the Bitcoin rails to get out of the exchange and into Binance. We've converted the Bitcoin into BNB, and now we've taken custody of the BNB in our Binance wallet on the BEP2 network. Now we have to convert it to BEP20. Once this token arrives, we'll get started on that. Okay, so my transaction is showing as pending still. I am going to hit refresh. And yes, it is complete now. So let's go up here and look at our Binance wallet and boom, check it out. Our BNB has arrived. We now have taken custody in the Binance wallet. Now I want to convert from BEP2 network to BEP20. To do that, let's go up here and switch to Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. Let's take our address and copy it. Now we're going to go back to the BEP2 chain and we're going to send. The asset is right, BNB. the address. I'm going to paste it in there. And notice, it automatically recognizes that this is a cross-chain transfer. That's good. It realizes that we're going from one Binance chain to another. I am not going to include a memo. And for this, I will select max and hit next. We get a little confirm. Everything looks good to me. I am hitting next. All right, my BNB balance is gone. And let's move over to the Binance Smart Chain. And yeah, there it is. We are getting close now. And congratulations if you've gotten this far. Now, the Binance Wallet only deals with Binance accounts. It's not like MetaMask, where it's like a financial aggregator and you can have all of your bank accounts, the Ether account, your Fantom account. So we are going to now move this BNB over to MetaMask so that it's in a more platform agnostic wallet. So we're going to go over here to MetaMask. I am on Ethereum mainnet. Instead, I want to go down here to Binance Smart Chain. Boom. This is my account on the Binance Smart Chain. I am going to copy that. I'm going to go up here, back into Binance. Again, we're going to send BNB token. That works for me. That's the address. I'm going to go max, send it all. Everything's looking good. Let's send. We got our little confirmation. I'm good with this. Transaction sent. And very shortly, we're going to see this drop to 0 and our MetaMask account will eventually show a balance. Look at that. The Binance Smart Chain is fast. We've now moved it over into our MetaMask wallet and we are ready for one of the last steps. And boy, oh boy, this one is stumping a bunch of people. I am going to use a site called Spookyswap. I'm going to go up here and go to spookyswap.finance. This is the site that I want. It's going to ask to connect to my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to approve this. It's going to want to switch to the Fantom Network. So look at this. Allow it to switch networks over to Fantom Opera. Yeah. The whole thing, Fantom, is kind of spooky. Lots of the apps on this network run with the kind of spooky sort of Fantom, haunty sort of vibe. Okay, so let's go here and check out our portfolio. What we want to do here, we want to bridge. This means we want to bridge our BNB from the Binance Smart Chain over to the Fantom chain. We need a bridge to do that. And this is one of the reasons we went to Binance, because Ethereum is expensive. And really our only other option is BSC. But don't worry, we've done this. Now MetaMask knows, we got to go to Binance Smart Chain to do this. All right, I'm going to go from Binance to Fantom. Select a token. Well, it's BNB. How much do you want to bring over? Max. I want to bring it all over. And we are ready. I'm going to bridge tokens. If you have an approve button down here and it's not working for you, don't worry. We might run into the exact same problem here. I'm going to hit confirm. And now we are bridging from Binance to Fantom. And you can see here the deposit is pending. And this is just going to take a little while to actually clear through. And we will look at our Fantom Opera wallet in MetaMask. Okay, so my confirmation is gone. I'm going to go up here to MetaMask. You can see I've got a bit of an orphan balance of BNB left over, but it should now be showing on the Fantom Network. And it's not by default. Don't worry, it's there. Here's what you need to do. Come up here and click on View in Explorer. That will take you to FTM scan up here. And if I go look at my wallet here, I can actually see the coin balance listed there. It has arrived. I'm going to click on it. And what I want to do here is this number right here. This is the token address that we need. We're going to copy that. We're going to go up to our MetaMask. Again, make sure you're on Fantom Network. Come down here and say add token. In this token address field, copy what you just pasted. It will auto-populate those values. I'm going to hit next, and there you go. You can see the balance. We just had to add the token. It has arrived. We now have a BNB balance in our MetaMask account on the Fantom Network. And now we should use Spookyswap to do the final swap into Fantom tokens. So let's come over here and we're gonna go to this called the swap page. And on swap, I'm gonna change this token to BNB tokens. I'm gonna go in here and click FTM. We're converting our BNB into FTM. It's the last stage. We didn't use the Ethereum network. We didn't pay those egregious swapping fees. I'm going to hit max. I wanna convert it all. And you'll notice this, approve BNB. I click on that and you get this. Do we have your permission to allow Spookyswap to convert it? But there's like Nothing that I can do here. What do I do? I get this. What do I do? I want to approve. I can't do anything. The problem is you need FTM in order to convert to FTM. And this is like this catch-22 that you need FTM tokens in order to swap into FTM tokens. And if you've had a Discord account for at least 30 days, I'm going to show you what to do to get some free FTM deposited to your wallet to deal with exactly this issue. If you haven't had Discord for 30 days, skip to the next chapter and I'll give you plan B. So this we're going to reject. And now we have to go to Fantom Foundation. So slight change of plans. We're not going to Fantom Foundation. As it turns out, their faucet only gives you 0.03 FTM, and that's not enough to do the swap. You'll be left in the same situation. Instead, there's a FTM community called FTM Alerts, and we are going to use that instead. So I'm going to go to Google here and write FTM space alerts. Oh, yeah, sorry, me again, by the way. Spookyswap also has their own Discord channel, and their faucet is amazing as well. If you have any issues with FTM alerts, also consider Spookyswap's Discord channel, another faucet available there. Just know that Spookyswap's got a good faucet as well. Thanks. So there we go, FTM alerts. And it is this one right here, ftmalerts.com. That's where we're trying to go. It'll take you to this page. This is a credible page. Do your own research. I would encourage you to do whatever you need to do to feel comfortable. I'm going to go to Discord. And this has taken me into FTM Alerts Alpha Discord. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is to verify. But given that you've had a Discord account for 30 days, I'm going to assume you know how to verify. Otherwise, just Google search how to verify in Discord. What you need here is this, the Fantom faucet. When you go into the Fantom faucet, so I want to go in here and write faucet, F-A-U-C-E-T, exclamation point faucet. And when I do that, it says you have already used the faucet this month. It's correct, I did. But when you do this, it'll work. You'll get one of these little pop-ups saying the faucet has sent you 0.1 FTM. When that happens, right click on the bot's name, go to message. It'll bring up this window in a private chat with the bot. And here you write exclamation point withdraw, followed by whatever your wallet address is. You enter your wallet address there. See, I did it here. And hey, just one last edit here. I keep talking about your wallet address. I've been so detailed in showing every step of the way, and then I found myself talking about some wallet address without being clear about which of the 500 wallet addresses we've just used I'm referring to. So for clarity, you have to post your Fantom wallet address. To find that, you go up to MetaMask. Make sure you are on the Fantom Network, and this right here is your Fantom wallet address. Hope that makes sense. Okay, withdraw, boom, send it to that address, and it'll take a couple minutes, but it will send it to your wallet. Once you finish this video and you get your FTM balance, I would encourage you to come back here and fund the faucet so that others can follow in your footsteps. To do that, we're gonna go down here and we're gonna write exclamation point fund. F-U-N-D. And this will show you the current balance of the fund and an address that you can send some FTM tokens to in order to bolster the treasury so that other people can follow on after you. But use the faucet in FTM alerts, not in the Fantom Foundation FTM, or you won't have enough. This is a key trick that you need to know about. If you somehow don't get enough Fantom tokens to do a swap, I would encourage you to check out the resources below. I am linking to a couple of Reddit boards and resources where if you just post your wallet address and let them know that you need a little bit of Fantom, a lot of people will be kind enough to send you a small amount to help you make your first transaction and get on board. As a path of last resort, reach out to me on Twitter, Art of Speculation, at speculation_of. DM me and we'll see if I can help you. Again, as a path of last resort, I want to be there to help those of you who are struggling to go through this. And so now we're ready for the last leg of our adventure. After using that exclamation point withdrawal in the FTM alerts faucet in Discord. You come up here to your MetaMask and you should have received your 0.1 FTM, which means we are ready to go over here to swap. And we're going to go to our BNB. Yes, we're going from BNB to Fantom. We want to go max. Yes, everything looks good. Let's go to swap. And because we used the FTM alerts and not Fantom Foundation, we have a sufficient balance of FTM to make this transaction. And there we go. You can see it looks like it's been done. I'm going to open my MetaMask wallet and we're just going to wait for this one to go through. Boom! There it is. Welcome home to the Fantom Chain. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the community. You are ready to play Rarity with a balance like that for a really long time. Transactions are fast, really low cost, and it's overall a fantastic experience. Hey, if you have watched this video this far, I need you to like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at speculation_of. That's art of speculation. And last but not least, if you're opening a Binance account, a Coinbase account, a ShakePay account, please use the links in the description below. It does a lot to actually help the channel, help me out. That said, hey, you did it. You did it. You made it through that whole process. Now, you're ready to check out all the videos I'm making on how to play Rarity and really get started digging into the game. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.